What up, YouTube, man? Reckless, you feel me? Back at y'all with another one. Today video gonna be something special, something different. I'm finna be going to the range, you feel me? First time at the range, bro. Told y'all I was finna be going. Wasn't capping, wasn't bapping. You feel me? Hold on, let me show y'all these real quick. I got my 26 right here and my 23. With the extended mags and the regular clips on, bro, you see. So, yeah, I got some ammo for both of those. So we finna have a decent time, you feel me? Me and my pops are going up, finna have my pops blow some, school some, bro. What'd you ever say? He say, some ain't learn how to blow in the range, though, bro. You feel me? Because this is not the first time I'm shooting guns. It's just the first time I'm at the range. All type of shit. But, dude, we finna go there, see how they get down over there, and some more shit. But I'm finna see y'all when I get there, for sure. Wait, make sure. Go for that little shoot too. Oh yeah. I'm going for my YouTube. Alright, I was figuring that out. I have a red dot. Red dot, sorry. Oh yeah, I think I did. Oh, yeah. I got a red dot. Oh, bro. All up in there. Something decent, something decent. You feel me? You feel me? Make sure that's clear. Alright. Now, we finna load some more. Finna turn the beam on. this early.
I had to put it down for a second. One of them shells was in my shirt.
Oh, man, no one of them shells in my face. Oh, bro, you feel me? I gotta.
By the time you're already burnt, but you still gotta like
All that. Yes, sir.
trigger safety, and I cannot stress that too much.
Killed him. This man is smokes.
We finna put the next on.
I think all like everybody that like shoots themselves back this.
Target.
Next target. Oh, bro, heavy as hell on the left. I gotta fix that shit. We gotta fix that. Aim at his head again. Yeah. Then, I guess we're gonna go for the criticals. Critical points. Man, see how oh, hit. Dog 23. I don't know.
Shells in my foot. Shit,
Oh,
hot as
yeah.
fuck.
This one I hit, dude. Oh, bro. That one when I hit the two, I hit that dead on. Like, yeah, I was aiming straight for the two. I'm like, happy. What?
Let's go.
You feel me? That's the ammo. Boy. That's definitely not my gun. I know. Man, if you know I have to come back, talk to y'all after a nice, good day of shooting on Brody. Let's get to these charts real quick. Let's get to these charts so I can show y'all what we done did to bro. See, you feel me? Hold on. Alright, get the targets out, you feel me? As you can see, this is the first shots with the 26. Nice little group. Mind you, first time. This is my first time going to the range, bro. I ain't never been at no range, none of that. This shit was fun as hell. But this is my first time really, like, target practicing for real. You feel me? With a gun, like, I think I did pretty good for my first time being in the range for real. So you feel me? We're gonna get straight to it though. This right here is what I hit with like the 26. Most of this stuff out here, this is not my shots, these are my pop shots, you feel me? I ain't trying to put my pops out there, but my pops, he got glasses and shit, you feel me? He can't see for real, but we gonna work on his aim, bro, you feel me? Cause bro can't have my pops out here like that, so we gonna keep going back to the range and we gonna work on that. But these right here, 26, I maybe missed like one right here, but all these is my dad's, you feel? 23 right here, nice little grouping. 26 right here again, and then this is 23 with the beam. My beam wasn't really sighted in as much as I thought it was. It was sighted in, but it was like a little off to the right. So you feel me? I'm gonna fix that when I go back with the Allen wrench. But as you can see, every X on this chart is hit. No matter what, you feel me? Every X on here hit. But, bro, we're just gonna get into the second chart. The second chart is better for real. I ain't gonna talk to that. So, this is the second chart, you feel? Look at him. Face gone. Like, nigga face gone. Throat hit up. Got hit up in his neck, his spine, boy. You feel me? All types of shit. But basically, these are my shots with the 23. This was mainly like 23 chart. These are not my shots. These are my dad's shots. I probably had like 2, 3 shots out here. Feel me? So you won't be out there that bad. But yeah, most of this shit not mine. That's his. But all my shots is like right here. In the body, lungs, and throat, you feel me? I wasn't really missing. Bro. But as y'all can see with the 26, it was jamming at the end because of the range ammo that I put in it. I had bought 2 boxes of ammo before I went in there, 40 and 9 bucks. But I already had like 50. Yeah, I had like 50 rounds of 9 and 40 already before I went there. So I already had 50 of mine, and I had put 50 of theirs through it, you feel me? So I put 100 rounds through each gun, and my 26 was working perfectly fine, flawless, as y'all can see at the beginning of the video, with my ammo that I brought there. But when I put their ammo in there that I bought, boy, it was jamming up like every 3 shots. And that was definitely definitely because they ammo, because the ammo that I bought for the 40 from them, it was just some regular PMC, you feel me, bronze, like 40 caliber, you feel me? Those, you're not gonna have no real problems with those decent. But I don't even know what ammo this was, so I wish I had brought the box with me or something so I could show y'all what ammo not to get. But it was like a black and red box. And the thing that hold the ammo inside of it looked like a stud. Like, it didn't look like no regular, like, sleeve for the ammo. It was weird. I could tell immediately when I opened the box. I'm like, these bogus. Like, they didn't even feel like good 9 bullets. Like, they was slight skinny and shit, like little bullets and shit. I'm like, these don't even feel right, but it's whatever. You feel me? But when I got the shooting, I could tell. I'm like, bro, it's something wrong with the ammo. It's nothing wrong with my gun. You feel me? These guns was working perfectly flawless. I built these to perfection for real, boy. I ain't gonna catch y'all. Y'all know I be coming with the bills. You feel me? But yeah, I was really shocked. I'm like, damn, that ammo bogus as hell. And you could see when it was ejecting, like, the ammo that I first started shooting out the 26, then when I started shooting the ammo that I bought, you could see, like, my ammo was ejecting perfectly fine. And when I switched to that ammo, it was, like, barely ejecting out the gun. I'm like, but every part of my 26, like, it's full OEM internals in here. Like, every internal part is, like, you feel me, OEM. GLOCK 9mm parts, you feel me? It's not no aftermarket parts in here. It's just aftermarket sliding barrel. But, bro, I wasn't really too mad about that. I was just like, dang, these bullets bogus, like, you feel me? But I'm happy with both how the builds came out. It was obviously flawless, no jams, none of that, no problems. Just got to work on my aim. I was shooting a little bit left, if y'all can see in that second chart. I was aiming straight for his head, but I was shooting like a little left. So I'm gonna work on that. You feel me? I was shooting a little left and shit. Right here, I was shooting dead on. Some of the shots I was hitting dead on, but when I was hitting his head and stuff, I was realizing I'm kind of shooting left. But let me know if y'all had that issue when y'all go to the range. You feel me? But if y'all like the video, man, like, subscribe, comment, all that shit, bro. If you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I drop my video. You feel me? Like, that's how that works, bro. You're not gonna get the notification if you're not subscribed and you don't hit the notification, bro. Like, come on now. Gotta think, bro. But yeah, that's basically it. Finna come at y'all with some more videos coming soon. Next time I go to the range, I'm finna have another gun with me. We finna have some big shit, you feel me? But, bro, that's basically it. All my supporters, love y'all, you feel me? Stay safe, stay dangerous, no lacking. Keep that pipe on you, feel me? But yeah, see y'all next time.